Despite not hitting the 65 game mark, Cade and Luka will be eligible for awards. And Anthony Edwards' request has been denied to be eligible for the awards. Shams says Doncic missed 2 games in December due to the birth of his child abroad, and Cunningham had a collapsed lung. Minnesota's Anthony Edwards filed a challenge as well, and his case was advanced to an independent arbitrator, but was denied and is not eligible for awards, sources said. I wonder why they denied Anthony Edwards, but they approved Luka Doncic and Cade Cunningham. I'm not a conspiracy theorist here, but I think that they want a European-faced NBA. Maybe just international in general, because they're pushing Luka. They're obviously pushing Wemby. I notice they don't push as hard for the American players. I see that Cooper Flagg is also getting some push as well, but it seems like the majority of the push that they're doing is for the international players. I want to know what y'all think.